Okay, I'm sleeping. And that little bird won't leave him alone. He keeps biting him, pecking at him. And Daddy's just sleeping away. Like it ain't nothing. Lefty, what are you doing, Lefty? Lefty, what are you doing, buddy? What are you doing to Daddy? He's trying to sleep. Lefty, Lefty, hey, what are you doing? Yeah, you, I'm talking to you. What are you doing to Daddy? He's trying to sleep. See here? You're waking up Daddy.
Oh.
See? I told you. You're going to wake Daddy up. You better stop it. You better quit it, you bad bird. Daddy thinks you're funny. Uh-oh. Dad. What happened?
What are you doing? Nothing? I didn't see nothing. You picking my head.
So you woke Daddy up.
No, I ain't feeding you.
What, you wanted Daddy to wake up so you can eat? Yeah? Is that what you needed? Oh, I see.
Mm.
You wanted Daddy to wake up. So he can open his mouth for you? Yeah? I know, Papa, that's nasty, isn't it? Don't you do the top. Good Daddy last time. It's open. Say it's open.
Hello?
Say come in.
Who's there?
Who's that?
Let's see who's there. Who's there?
What you doing here?
No.
Who's that?
No.
See, I told you woke Daddy up because you was pecking at him. Told you. Leave Daddy alone. Lefty. Hey.
Bite your little head off.
Uh-oh. Daddy's gonna bite your head.
Ha 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 ha. Got it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
You done? Daddy don't want you to do that no more.